What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see the thumbnail, man. Y'all see it. We got a treat today, man. It been a long time since I rode in somebody else's car. It been a long time since I rode in somebody else's car, for real. Cause that's what I started out doing, man. Cause at the time I hadn't put none of my own together. So I was like, man, I was riding the other people's cars and stuff, and it's still fun. I love doing it, and I'm open to do it, man. As long as somebody got some handles behind the wheel or whatever, I'm cool. But today, man, riding in my bro David car, the Coyote swap, Fox body y'all seen on the channel before. Lawless did it, Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. Shout out Jesse and all them guys over there. So we finally finna ride this thing, man. I know the whole setup, like I said, Coyote swap, did my boy, real cool and this and that. So that's what we got planned today, man. So we finna go see what that Coyote handle like with that blower. And we're gonna check back in. So I'm finna slide over there. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So we checking in. So this what we riding in today. This what we riding in today right here. My boy David, Coyote swap, Fox body. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it when it was getting built. Y'all saw it when it was finished. When we cranked it up on the vlog the other day. And now I'm finna ride it. Finally about to ride this thing. Coyote swap, man. Blower. Got a light tune on it now. Got a lot more power. Show it to y'all again in case y'all forgot. Clean swap. Like I said, we about to go down the road and this thing.
True street car, man.
True street car. Look. Hey, let's show them everything, David.
True street car.
Look at that, got the system in there too. Everything. He got the whole 9. So when y'all see the video and how this thing pulling, don't say it ain't a true street car. He got the music in it and all. Yeah, man. Y'all get ready, man. Y'all stay tuned. Coyote swap, Stain, supercharged. Hey, this man starting early, but god damn. When I say it got on top of the tire instantly, all the way. Golly. Man, we ain't gonna be able to get no traction. That way it topped out. It hit 130 and a half, almost 131 in a few seconds. From 50 to 130, just like that. It bad boy, it crazy. It overdrive transmission too, ain't it? 6R80? 6L80. 6R80? 6R80, my bad. That's the same thing in your F-150. Oh yeah, they got some. Man, when I say it just had you glued in the seat, I'm talking about had you glued in the seat. It's a constant pull. Hey man, you gonna take some heads off with it. You gonna take some heads off with it. It's just a daily driver. Yeah, I know it's true street car, but with an attitude though. Golly. This thing right, man. God. Hey man, I might have to do something with my old Coyote. Good, got him. This thing ridiculous. Man, this bad boy ridiculous, man. God, hey. Get in trouble with this, man. For sure. I'm talking about straight get in trouble with this. Good, got him. Man, let me know. Hey, we sticking. Y'all see? Them more be spinning now. I'm telling you. They're
What does it
crazy.
look like that way?
Hold on, you got one.
Add it up?
Yeah, you good after that one.
It's a house that was for sale the other day, I think.
Hold on, don't nobody stay here.
I don't know.
Hold on, wait a minute. We'll get you outside the car. This thing crazy. This thing is crazy. Look at that. God, man, look at that. Hold on, y'all. I got to go back so y'all can see. It's crazy. Look at that, man. Golly. That thing makes some power, y'all. He makes some power. That thing makes some power. They're ridiculous, man. They're ridiculous. God, you see them more. You had to just get out of it, didn't you?
Man, I had to let out of it. It was in fourth gear.
God.
I had to let out of it.
Man, y'all saw them more. Y'all saw them more. They're crazy. Coyote for some, y'all. Y'all been telling me to. Golly. Good God Almighty. Alright, y'all. So I just got back. From riding this thing. Hey, man. That thing crazy. David got himself some. He got himself some. That old Coyote. That Coyote swap fast. That's a bad ride, man. It clean as a whistle. Then y'all see it's a true street car. Got the speakers in the back. I forgot to tell y'all the AC work on it. It's just like John Jones, man. It's just forward version. AC work. It clean. You can go anywhere. Dependable. He on E85 though. That's the only difference. He on pump E85. I'm on pump 93. But David got man. That's a bad ride. That's a bad ride. Y'all know I done rode in a lot of stuff from all levels when it comes to speed. I done rode in some of everything. He got a bad car. That car bad, man. So that just man, he made my day. He made my day, man. We had fun today, and that them cars, that what it's about. Having fun with these cars, man. I mean, you got two buddies in the car riding or acting a fool, showing out. Man, it's a good time. it's a good time, man. I got to shout out my boy Dave for that. I enjoyed that, man. I enjoyed that. So he got a bad ride, man. Like I said, Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication did it. They put one together right there. David did his thing. He put one together. All the way around, clean, and just a bad piece. So next time I catch that thing, I hope I'm seeing it on the track, man. We'll shoot a vlog. When David go to the track, I'm going. Told him hit my line. When he go to the track, I got to be there. I got to be there, man. We'll catch that, shoot a vlog with that and all that. So, man, yeah. Last time David took me for a ride in the truck. I don't know if y'all saw that vlog. His L150 one jacked up real high. And he got a little tune on it. It pretty quick too to be that big. So this time we in the Coyote. We in the Coyote Swap Mustang. So man, they're gonna be it for today's video. I'm finna close this thing out cause it's too hot. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.